spells like ink across my floor. Television flickers, but it shows no more. In shadows, dancing with the dust, in a house where silence turns to rust. Then the wind whispered through the pane, carrying a red balloon through the rain. Like a memory stitched from the sky, a piece of a dream that learned to fly. From the window I hear their cheer, a child's laughter, bright and clear. But here I sit, a ghost in time, tracing the outlines of a forgotten rhyme. Then the wind whispered through the pane, carrying a red balloon through the rain. It floated in, a thread of grace, like the smile of a child I can't replace. And the wind whispered through the pane, carrying a red balloon through the rain. It floated in, a thread of grace, like the smile of a child I can't replace. I reached for it with trembling hands, but it slipped through fingers like desert sands. Fleeting touch from a distant shore, reminding me of what's no more. And the wind whispered through the pane, carrying a red balloon through the rain. It floated in, a thread of grace, like the smile of a child I can't replace. Now the room holds its breath once more. The balloon's red glow fades on the floor. I watch it drift like a silent tune, echoes of a child beneath the moon.